Hello everyone, my name is Paolo Signoria. In this tutorial we will see how to adapt a flat sole to a curved surface in Rhino. First, go to the front view and activate Snap, Project and Ortho. Then select the Control Point Curve command. Draw the first point at the end of the heel and the second point on the horizontal projection. Then deactivate OSNAP and Ortho and draw 3 more points. Press Enter to complete the command. Check the curve from the perspective view. Extrude the curve through the green dot of the gumball. The length must exceed the width of the sole. If record history is active, the curved surfaces are linked. If we select a point and move it, say along the Z axis, the curve changes shape and the surface follows. Switch to the top view and select the text object command. The active options should be output curves and group output. Type 1 and click where you want to place the text. Repeat the command writing 2. Use the project curve command, making sure you are in the top view. Select the 2 texts, press Enter, then select the surface and press Enter. The delete input option should be set to yes. Use the surface UV command from the menu Surface, Surface Flattening, Unroll, and select the surface. Press Enter to confirm. Select the texts on the surface, which are curves, and press Enter. Now you have a flat surface with the numbers. For convenience, switch to the top view, select the flat surface and the numbers, and move them with the gumball to make them clearly visible. Return to the perspective view and select the Orient to Points command. Click the vertex near point 1 on the flat surface, then the one near point 2. Next, click the vertex near point 1 on the curved surface, then the one near point 2. This aligns these 2 surfaces. create a new layer named Surfaces. Select the hill, then from the Properties dock bar, assign it the green color. Proceed by assigning different colors to each object. Create a new layer called Flat. Select the central part of the sole, then right-click on Change Object Layer to move the object to that layer. Use the Flow Along Surface command, select the central sole and confirm with Enter. Click on the edge of the flat surface, the base surface, near point 2. Then click on the edge of the curved surface, the target surface, also near point 2. This creates a curved sole. Organize the objects clearly by performing the necessary operations. Change the layer of the flat sole, move the surfaces and the curve to the surfaces layer, change the color of the curved sole and move it to the sole layer. You can toggle layers on and off. The active layer has a flag and cannot be turned off. Turn off all layers except sole and check the final object from different views. Turn on the surfaces layer, select the curve, then select the central control points and try moving them along the ZZ axis with a gumball. For greater precision, switch to the front view and adjust the shape until you get the desired result. The sole follows the curve. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Best regards.